$399. Cancun all-inclusive trip this year, 4 nights. This is not a typo. $399 gets you 4 nights at a beachfront resort with all meals and drinks. Why we love this deal. This budget-friendly tropical getaway is the perfect solution for a last-minute trip that won't break the bank. Stay at a boutique resort that has an intimate, peaceful feel compared to the massive hotels in the Cancun hotel zone. You'll wake up to turquoise ocean views and enjoy unlimited cocktails, all just a close 5-minute drive from lively entertainment options in downtown Cancun. What's included for $399 per person? Round-trip airfare from Fort Lauderdale, Houston, or Miami to Cancun. 4 nights accommodations at Cancun Bay Resort. All meals and unlimited drinks. Free Wi-Fi. All air and hotel taxes. When to go? Depart on select dates through December 15, 2022. January-July 2023 dates are also on sale, starting at plus $49 per person. Additional departures: Atlanta, Austin, Boston, Charlotte, Chicago, Cleveland, Columbus, Dallas, Denver, Detroit, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Louisville, Nashville, New Orleans, New York City, Orlando, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Richmond, Tampa, and Washington. DC departures are also available, starting at plus $19 per person. Resort details: Cancun Bay Resort is a budget-friendly boutique resort that gets high marks on TripAdvisor for its warm, personalized service. Located on a stretch of white sand beach, this hotel features 2 swimming pools, a children's wading pool, a hot tub, 2 bars, 4 restaurants, a gym, and daily activities on site. Guests can book a romantic candlelight dinner or a massage on the beach for an additional charge. Upgrade options: This is part of a larger sale on Cancun all-inclusive beachfront resorts. Head to the 4-star Flamingo Cancun Resort for only plus $49 per person, or the 5-star Hotel Crystal Grand Cancun for plus $119 per person. Stay at the Lux Sandos Cancun with a 3-tier cascading infinity pool for plus $279 per person. Book by November 9.